Hello SER402, this is Project5 Trynkit, and this is our fifth artifact review. Our fifth artifact review covers our ninth sprint, which started on March 15th and ends today on March 28th. We had many improvements that we wanted to add to our web application and some small tweaks to our firmware. Our firmware tweaks include, we just had added a check to see if the file that is to be uploaded is already on the device or not before we go and try and delete it, so that the user doesn't see any weird errors that they aren't expecting. We did a lot of general improvements to the web application to just add to the end user's experience. So I'll go over a few of those right now. Like, we added a logo to the website that is based on the Trynkit design, and a little ASU flair added in there too. I think it looks great. We added mouse over effects and tooltips to our buttons. You see here, load a file, pair editor with Bluetooth device. All the buttons have a mouse over and tooltip added to them. If we go here, we added functionality to the or create account button. So if you click on that now, it opens up the sign up account. And since we're here, we'll do that. We'll sign up. Password A. We'll remember that A. And my ASU email. So if we sign up, it says user added. And now that when we sign up, we have added in our back end that it'll send a confirmation email to the user after you signed up. So let's see, usually it takes a minute or two, so I'll reload and see if we got it. If not, we can come back to it. There we go. Here's our confirmation email. Thank you for registering. Username and password. So we go back to our web application. Another neat new thing that we added is we added the ability for the user to change their password. So if we have our current password A, I know you can't see it, but I'll add a new password Z. Re-enter Z, hit update password. Log out the user. Oh, okay. Well, first we need to log in. So we'll log in with A. Log in. Go to settings. Current password A. New password. How about AA? AA. Update password. Password updated. Close. Log out. Go back to log in. Same username. Password. We'll try again. Login unsuccessful. We'll try again. Since if you see it, we'll try AA. There we go. Login succeeded. So if you want to see here in the database, oh, I need to make a new connection. There we go. AA is the password. Another thing that we added, so if you go to your login and you forgot your password, if you click on there on the password, it notifies you and says that the password is sent to the email on file. So if we go back here, we'll go check my email again, and here you go. Password is AA. Some other things that we added more on the back end, we are changing a lot of our things to grid views, so maybe there'll be more, you'll be able to view it on a mobile application or like an iPad, tablet kind of thing better. See, we took out our debug console button because things are getting a little too cluttered in our menu, and we're just going to permanently have it right here below the editor. Another thing that we added is, let's see if I'm logged in here again. We'll log in. We added the ability to save our files in the cloud in the database. So if we go, let's just add some text here. And then if we hit save file, it says it's saved file. We'll go back here to our database, and if you see right there, it saves the file name main.py and the text that was in the editor. And you can do that with any number of well, right now we have it, you can store 5 files in the text into the editor. So if we go and save that one right there, go back and check the database, and there we go, new project name.py and file 2 for the text in there. That is pretty much what we have for this sprint. We thank you all for watching, and we will see you again in 2 more weeks. We'd like to hope that everybody stays safe during this uncertain time, and have a nice day.